Hi, the 10th Dadasaheb Phalke Film Festival 2020. Namaste friend, my name is Rajdeep Biswas. I am the writer, storyteller, co-producer and an editor of this film Let It Be. I would like to thank the jury, the selection committee, my mentors, the coaches and partners in making my film presentable at this prestigious film festival. Being recognized at the 10th Sri Dadasaheb Phalke Film Festival 2020 is a true honor. It was this constant thing ringing in my head since my childhood days to connect science with our day-to-day lives. I was called the scientist from my 5th grade. I used to always experiment with various things, unknowingly projecting myself to the physical science with materials available in our day-to-day life. After a good stint at cricket, I got an opportunity to assist the director of film, Leela. From that day, I discovered that film media is a great tool to project my thought and belief on a longer scale, and hence started my journey to project my science-centric idea to the world. This project has taken over 15 years of research and development and 3 years in making. As they said, patience is a virtue and try until you succeed. Finance was the main roadblock I faced throughout the making. I didn't want my family to be bothered about the monetary issues in making of my film. So I took up jobs at several media companies to feed the fire and keep the filmmaking process continue without any breaks. Managing human resource was easier than managing the financial aspect in my film production. Working with well-known and astounding media houses in Mumbai made it easier for me to stay connected with them. This in turn became much more easier for me to identify the specific and precise artist needed for my project. There is a great amount of dedication and devotion contributed towards the project from such professional artists, and I bow down to this wonderful people that make our world move around and ahead with flying colors. Since my film is totally an animation film, there is no question about the shooting challenges. It is the same, I was very sure, on the look, feel, and the final product of the film. The target audience is from 12 plus to 99 plus. Yes, the film is thoughtful, scientific philosophy. How Earth's electromagnetic field stored human data, that is our five senses, which is based on Kuna force and Kuna pulse. And this film is a fusion between science and spirituality. Promote and distribute globally, reach out to as many people, show and educate them further, giving them example that India can produce such content too. Yes, we visit theaters and cinema halls for entertainment, but with that entertainment, if one gets to be educated too, isn't that the best thing? To the emerging filmmakers, well, keep that fire burning within you. And yes, one day you will be there. My best wishes to 10th Dadasaheb Phalke Film Festival 2020. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe. Namaste.